Our journey begins on GitHub, the platform where developers collaborate to build and share software. Next, the code is containerized using Docker, encapsulating it with all its dependencies. This ensures consistency across different environments and simplifies deployment. Now, the application is deployed onto AWS ECS, the Elastic Container Service. EKS offers enhanced flexibility and control over containerized applications. To ensure high availability and efficient distribution of traffic, a load balancer is employed. From GitHub to Docker to AWS ECS and EKS, each step ensures the smooth operation and accessibility of the application, ultimately delivering value to the end user.
For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel.